It's my first video. Okay, let's start over. I just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully today you guys just like the look I come up with. I have no idea what I'm going to do, so we're just going to do this as we go. As my primer, I'm going to use the Milani Hills Hollywood Rose Gold. This one right here. It is like a shimmer, so it'll leave your skin with a little bit of shimmer in it. Foundation, the LA Girl Pro Matte in the shade Light Tan. It just feels really lightweight on your skin. And it stays pretty matte, so it's not matte and then wears off through the day. And I'm using the Morphe M439 brush. The foundation is not like a full coverage foundation. It's like medium to full coverage. But even then, when you apply more than one layer, it doesn't feel like you have a bunch of makeup on your face. At least for me, it doesn't feel that way. I have the natural lighting hitting my face from the window, and then I have these two mirrors right next to me, one with the LED lights and the other one that zooms into your face. And the reason for that is because I like to see how it's looking zoomed in, that make sure it's not looking cakey, and then with the LED lights I make sure that I'm not missing any spots that I need to go over, and then the natural lighting, so I can kind of see what it's gonna look with the natural light. Because you know, when you do your makeup in the room, it's gonna look really good, it's gonna bomb, but then when you go outside, all these colors start popping out of nowhere and it doesn't look very cute. I'm gonna take a Aesthetica brush. It's P12. I think I got this on my BoxyCharm. Right. I'm gonna take this translucent powder. I got it at Walmart. Now this is the powder I'm gonna use to set my whole face. And you wanna pick very lightly the product, and then you wanna dab. You don't wanna grab too much to where you look like a ghost. Now I'm gonna grab my concealer. This concealer is one of my favorite concealers, and I'm getting the shade C8, and then just dab. Now when you're putting on your foundation or concealer, anything around the nose area, you see how it creases right here? You want to make sure you get that spot, because sometimes you miss the spot and you have a bunch of foundation, concealer, powder in that area and it looks cakey, is what I'm trying to say. So in that crease of your nose right here, you want to make sure you get in those lines to blend in everything. I'm gonna use my butter bronzer. I love this bronzer. It feels good, it smells good, it feels buttery, and then it has like a shimmer to it, but not so shimmer to the point where it leaves you looking like oily. It actually looks really good. Where I would contour is where I would put my bronzer. You know, you want to make it look like you got a forehead, not a tan head. Okay, now I'm going to take my Morphe brush, 458, to contour the nose. Grab the edge of the brush and just do a line and buff it out. I'm going to go ahead and grab my ColourPop No Filter setting powder, and I'm just going to grab a good amount and put it right under the eye. Now I'm going to go back with my Airspun loose face powder, and that's where I'm going to do the creasing for you to lighten up to clean up the I can't talk. And I like to go right where my lip line is. I'm gonna use the Tea Rose Powder Blush from Milani and just slightly dab onto the cheek. This is also the Walmart brush. I'm gonna look up and see how much they are online so I can tell you guys exactly prices. Wipe off all the powder off that I have left on my face. Morphe 8H, and I'm gonna use the highlight Venus. I'm gonna use this one. And I'm gonna grab the Morphe brush E8. No, just kidding. I'm gonna grab the Morphe brush M438. Not too much. You don't want the forehead to... The forehead's already noticeable because it's already big. You don't want to put a bunch of highlight and make it even more noticeable. Let everybody know I got a TV on my head. Now we're gonna do eyeshadow. I'll grab a concealer. And I'm gonna use the Morphe 35V palette. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this color right here. And I'm gonna use the Morphe M506. It looks like this. Okay. Now I'm going to use the Morphe E17. This one's kind of like that other one, but it's a little bit bigger and fluffier. And I'm going to use this one to grab this shade right here. Blend in the colors. Now I'm going to use that Anastasia and the other end of the brush and buff it out. That's as good as the eyeliner is gonna get. Sometimes you have good eyeliner days, sometimes you don't. And today is that day. I'm gonna do my lashes using the mascara from Maybelline, the Lash Sensational. Use the Kiss Blowout Lashes. And go with the eyeliner and cover up the glue so it doesn't look messy. Now you want to look kind of sideways, look into your eye and see where your lashes are and the fake lashes are, and make sure that they're combined together. You want to go back with your mascara. It just gives it that finished folder look. I'm going to use the Maybelline New York setting spray to set my face. Just give it a good shake. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, press that notification bell button. That way you guys are notified every time that I post a video. And comment down below, leave your girl some suggestions, and show your girl some love. Thank you. Bye. And this is also the Walmart. To subscribe and hair off makeup. But this is the final look. This is what it... Let's just start over.